G'day, Sean from Crockers. Just want to show you, we're painting a ceramic tile, and there's a whole lot of products that you can use to paint ceramic tiles. But we've got one here, it's called Wonderbond, is a film layer that you can put onto the tile first, and then, I'm just going to put you down here, and then get the film layer on the tile and let that dry. So that's the Wonderbond, that's the product. It's a clear product. And then, so there's our tile. Okay, that's got nothing on it there. And then we've coated the Wonderbond clear all down this section of the tile. So there's the clear there. And on that side we've got gloss acrylic. So you normally wouldn't paint gloss acrylic on a tile, but we've done that as an experiment. And that side's got gloss enamel. And that's just one coat of white onto that brown tile. Now gloss acrylic, now if I pick that, I've got a little bit there where I tried to get it off, but you got to try, it's pretty hard, and the enamel is better. So I did the same thing up here, and you can't really do that to the enamel, or unless you get a key or something and really try and rip into it. But that's one coat of the Wonderbond, one coat of gloss acrylic, one coat of gloss enamel. So if you're going to paint your wall tiles, or preferably not the floor tiles, but if you want to change your splashback or the bathroom, and that's quite a simple system. So this Wonderbond is a clear product, and it's water-based. So that one's water-based, that's water-based, and that's actually the oil-based gloss enamel. Probably the best way to go. So that's it. Simple.